Let's talk about rule number 5. The rule that reminds every watchkeeper that a proper lookout is the first layer of safety at sea.
Lookout is very important and should take maximum of the watchkeeping officer's time. The remaining time is the full appraisal of what he sees and the action that is taken by him. Lookout means to see and understand the situation, by sight and hearing as well as by other means, which may be radar and GPS, and by any other electronic devices. Appropriate in the prevailing conditions means, in condition of poor visibility, the radar and human ears may be the means of detecting other vessels. If the vessel is in the middle of a fishing fleet with only one radar, then the range scale shall be reduced and the periodic switches have to be done between smaller scale and a longer scale. If 2 radars exist, then one should be set on smaller range and the other on larger range for detecting other vessels. The equipment to be monitored include the echo sounder, log, GPS, and the chart to verify vessel's position.